Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of connecting your Kotak Mahindra bank account to Tally Prime. This enables you to enjoy the benefits of the connected banking feature introduced in Tally Prime Release 6.0. You will also know how to reconnect or disconnect a bank account from Tally Prime. First, let's see how to connect your Kotak Mahindra bank account. Press Alt-Z. All banking options. And select Bank Connections. If you have not logged into Connected Banking already, then you will need to log in. Press F6 to establish a new connection. Select Kotak Mahindra Bank. You can see that a connection ID gets generated. Press C to connect and you will be redirected to the Kotak Mahindra Bank portal on your web browser. Enter your CRN and net banking password. Enter the CAPTCHA. Click Secure Login. Enter the OTP received on your mobile number that is registered with the bank. Click Verify. Now, click Accept to link the bank services. You have completed the steps on the bank portal. Now, you can switch to Tally Prime. In Tally Prime, press S to refresh the status. The connection with the Kotak Mahindra bank account is now successful. In the Bank Connections report, you will be able to see the status of the connection as connected along with its validity. Press Shift-Enter on the Kotak Mahindra bank row. You will see the bank accounts that got linked. This allows you to get bank statements and balance online and perform other connected banking activities. To learn the process, refer to the video links provided in the description. Now, let's see how to reconnect your bank account. The connection might be expired after its validity. In such cases, you need to reconnect your bank account. Select the bank and press F7 to manage the bank connection. Press F6 to reconnect. You can see that a connection ID gets generated. Press C to connect and you will be redirected to the Kotak Mahindra bank portal on your web browser. You can now establish the connection between your bank account and Tally Prime. In a different scenario, after initiating the connection, the authentication on the bank portal might get interrupted. So, in Tally Prime, the connection status with Kotak Mahindra Bank will be in progress. In such a case, when you reconnect, you need to follow all the steps on the portal as shown in part 1 of this video. When you do not want to use your Kotak Mahindra bank accounts, you can disconnect. In the Bank Connections report, press F7 to manage the bank connection. Press Alt F6. Now, press D to disconnect the bank account. Press Y. The bank account gets disconnected. If you want to connect your Kotak Mahindra bank account again, then you will need to establish a new connection. As you saw, you can connect your Kotak Mahindra bank account in a matter of clicks and then enter the required details on the portal to establish a connection. In case the connection is still in progress, or even expired, you can reconnect the bank accounts. When you do not want to use your Kotak Mahindra Bank account through connected banking, you can disconnect it. Now that you know the process of connecting your bank accounts to TallyPrime, you can watch our videos, how to check your bank balance using connected banking in TallyPrime, and how to get bank statements using connected banking in TallyPrime. The links are in the description. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.